Most flybridge yachts in this range top out well short of 100 feet. The Azimut Grande 32 meters starts past 104. Built by Azimut in Italy, flagship of the Grande series, exterior lines by Stefano Regini, interior by Achille Salvagni Architetti. Superstructure built with extensive carbon fiber for weight savings. 2 MTU diesels, 2,200 horsepower each, 4,400 horsepower combined. Top speed up to 27 knots. Cruise up to 21 knots. Fuel capacity 4,227 gallons, 104 feet, 12 inches overall. 23 feet, 11-inch beam. 6 feet, 2-inch draft at full load. Full load displacement, 299,826 pounds. D2P hull design cuts fuel consumption and CO2 by up to 30%. Carbon fiber trims up to 30% off the superstructure weight. An 18 square meter beach club opens the stern to the water. WaveLess Stab 40 electric stabilizing fins hold her steady at anchor. 5 cabins plus crew quarters for 3, 6 heads plus crew. Full height windows flood every deck with light. Bottom line, a flagship that trades nothing for efficiency, engineered as thoroughly below the waterline as above it. Range and full performance data are available at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.